Hi, this is Samantha Rajaposki. I am the host of the new TV series that's on YouTube called Justice TV. Here we're going to talk about so many things that you will need to learn. First, let's talk about if you're a pro se litigant. I've been in the court system for over 20 years as a pro se litigant and as an activist. And I find myself coming up across a lot of issues that I know a lot of pro se people come up against. Bias of judges. It's so many things. Legal terminology. When to apply for certain motions, when to ask for discoveries, when to ask for a summary judgment, when to put in evidence. I'm going to show you on this TV show how to combat all these things, how to deal with your work, age discrimination, disability discrimination, and most things possible is how to deal with the settlement. Yeah, you didn't know that you can talk yourself, and even if you're being terminated, how to talk yourself into getting a settlement so that you can leave. It's very easy. But I'm going to also show you how to do a complaint when you have a judge that's being biased or prejudiced. What did the Supreme Court says? What does the appellate court says? That's in federal case. What if the Supreme Court and the appellate court says about state law cases, state judges? I'm going to tell you all about that. I welcome you to subscribe to my channel. And I get a little emotional, especially when I'm talking about law. Why? Because it's important to me. I didn't think that law mattered to me. I felt like if I ever needed to go to court, all I had to do was just, if I had my facts, my evidence, and I spoke the truth, I would be vindicated. Don't work that way anymore. You actually have judges that work with attorneys to hurt you, to prevail against you. So I'm going to show you how to combat it and what to do. I've been a fighter for over 20 years, and I was fortunate enough to do a writ to submit to the Supreme Court. Unfortunately, they didn't accept it. It was an antitrust. But the Justice Department did review it, and I was happy about that. I'm going to also talk to you about other legal issues that you think that may not impact you. So I say thank you, welcome aboard, and most of all, Justice TV is just for us, pro se litigants.